Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Nissan Rogue SV. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get our lovely little backup camera. We got a roof spoiler, roof rails as well, some nice chrome accents on this vehicle, heated door mirrors with turn light indicator mirrors. This vehicle does come with the remote start as well, with your license plate bracket and that nice Nissan grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo storage. We got a nice little tonneau cover to protect all your goods, more hooks and doodads. 12 volt just right there. You got storage here as well as underneath with your spare tire. You even get more storage here as well, which is all pretty handy, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some designs on it, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, nice little step, carpet interior, rear vents, and of course you can fold this down for, let me see if I can get it. There's cup holders and arm space, but you just pull that down. I only have one hand right now, but it's pretty convenient. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Got your trip lights, traction, gas cap, auto, all-wheel drive lock, sport mode, and eco mode, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 119,230 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, voice, phone, all that jazz, playback, play forward, back, volume, and toggle free screen where you can go for your Bluetooth controls, your safety shields, tire pressure, 4-wheel drive, any messages will show up there, driving assist, and all of that stuff. Cup holders, storage, heated front seats, your center console with more storage underneath with a USB and a 12 volt. Gear select just right here, storage, aux, USB, 12 volt, climate controls, storage below, your hazards. Looking here on our home screen, we have our Bluetooth capabilities, your call histories, all that jazz. AM, FM, Bluetooth, USB. You have your home screen where you have your clock, where you can change the brightness up here to night to daytime, audio, which you do have AM, FM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, CD, all that jazz. We got our nice little backup camera. By just clicking there, you can adjust the brightness, but shifting to reverse, you do get your nice little backup camera, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8077, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.